What's up guys, welcome back to the PvP YouTube channel. If you've been following along, you know we're attacking our stage 1 HP packages. Went after the LML Duramax, we put it on the dyno, and our Ford PowerStrokes, we put that truck on the dyno as well. 11 through 14 models and the 15 plus. Jump in our description, we'll have all the links below. Now let's talk about our F1 HP package on a 15 plus PowerStroke. So if you're the client, you've got your truck outfitted like this one, you're not ready to go to our F2 HP package, but you want to upgrade, and you want to upgrade doing it in a smart way. So we get a lot of questions. Hey, what is a part on the truck that's possibly could fail? That's a good question. Underneath that hood, there's a plastic part that's never even meant to handle the factory horsepower. We see them fail all the time. Then, if we upgrade to our F1 HP package that has over 500 rural horsepower, yeah, it puts a little strain on it. So it's something that's got to be addressed sooner or later, but we're going to address it now. So let's check it out. Guys, now let's talk about a pusher cold side intercooler pipe. So we've got the plastic cold side intercooler pipe out of the way. Guys, focus on that part. It is plastic. It is super hot outside. You're running high boost pressures. That plastic will expand. That is held together by glue and blow. If you're one of the fortunate ones, maybe you won't receive engine damage. Maybe if you're the unfortunate, you let us know what happens. Let's talk about this F1 HP package. We've upgraded this truck with the new pusher cold side intercooler pipe. Right off the bat, you can see it's powder coated gloss black, so we got a little eye candy. More importantly, we're about what it's going to do for our F1 package. We want to make more power, but most importantly, we want it to be reliable. That's exactly what this kit will do. Cold side intercooler pipe upgraded to stainless steel powder coated black, 2 new silicone boots, 4 new T-bolt clamps. So guys, let's put some actual real data behind what we just talked about. See what this truck makes on the dyno. It's dyno time. So we got the dyno graphed up, guys, another 550 plus rural horsepower F1 HP package on this 15 plus PowerStroke. We wanted to outfit this truck so that way when the customer, whenever he's out there passing someone or just having fun with it, can put their hammer down and he's got reassurance that, hey, that cold side intercooler pipe that's made out of plastic and held together by glue will not burst. So we upgraded that to our pusher intercooler pipe, stainless steel, powder coated, ready to go. So maybe you have a Ford and you're trying to figure out, hey, how do I know that mine's gonna fail? It's made of plastic, it gets hot. You can grab a hold of it. If you can actually flex that pipe, it's getting weaker and you're the next on the list for it to blow. Or if you look around the rubber boots and you start seeing oil and dust around it, it's coming, guys, it's coming. Jump in our comments, we'd love to hear from you. If it's put you on the side of the road, guys, let us know. We'd love to hear your story. We'll keep these dudes on the shelf so that way if you need them, we can ship them out to you. Tune in every single week. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. And we'll see you next week on the PvP YouTube channel.